Hello, and in this video you will learn how to store and evaluate a quadratic function, graph a quadratic function, and display a table. So let's get started.
First, we are going to store and evaluate a quadratic equation. First, push the on button, then click the y equals key. If there's something in the first field, hit the clear button.
In the first field, enter the equation that you will be solving.
By clicking the zoom key and scrolling down to 6, it should open the standard window and you will be able to see the parabola of your equation.
To find the x-intercepts, you will have to do the following. Press second, calc, down arrow once, which is for the zeros, and hit the enter key.
First, we will find the x-intercept on the left bound. Proceed by pressing the left arrow as many times as it takes to get to the cursor on the left side of the x-intercept, and then click the enter key.
Then, do the same in order to find the right bound. Press the right arrow as many times as you need and hit the enter key. When you press the enter key, you will get the x-intercept.
Now the calculator will ask for a guess as to where the vertex is. Move your cursor to the vertex and hit enter. Disclaimer, a guess is not exact.
The purpose of this was to graph quadratic functions on a TI84 calculator.
Now it is time to graph a quadratic equation and create a display table. So let's go ahead and get started.
We are going to be skipping certain steps from last time, so pay attention to the skips and changes.
In this stage, instead of hitting the zoom and 6 key, hit the graph key instead.
The next step in setting up your table of points is this. Press second, calc, choose either 3 or 4. However, since the example we're doing occurs on a minimum, which is the point at the bottom of the parabola, hit 3.
Now select a left bound, which can be any point to the left of the vertex, then hit enter.
Now you're going to do your right bound. Follow the same process that we did for the left bound, but instead pick a point on the right.
Now you will have to find your vertex. Move your cursor to the vertex and hit enter.
Now, to set up a table of points for your graph, all you have to do is this. Press second, then press graph for the table of values.
Now to adjust your table settings, all you have to do is this. Press second, then window, which activates the table settings. Let's say you wanted your table to go by 5s. Where it says table start, put a 5. If you wanted your table of points to start with 5, all you have to do is put a 5 where it says triangle TBL. Now to get back to your table of points, all you have to do is hit second graph, which will open your table.
Thanks for watching our video on how to graph quadratic equations and display a table.
Goodbye!